The first thing we'll do is configure our featured collection that we hid at the beginning of this video. I'll unhide this by clicking on the eye icon here, and you'll see on the right-hand side that the collection now appears properly. Let's configure this collection to display some of our products that we created. I'll do this by clicking into it here. And for our collection, I want to select our new arrivals collection seen here. Let's click on this and we'll see the products populate here on the right-hand side. The next thing I'll do is change the text from featured collection. On the left-hand side, I'll edit this to say our best sellers. Then I'll scroll down here and I want to change the image ratio to portrait. Right now, if we look at our product images, we can see that they seem like slightly different sizes. To fix this, let's change the image ratio from adapt to image to portrait. Now they'll all be roughly the same size. I'm happy with how this looks, so I'll go back by clicking on the back button here. But now if I scroll down on my store, my featured collection is actually above my slideshow. To fix this, let's go to the left-hand side here and simply drag the collection underneath the slideshow to reorder the content. As I do this, on the right-hand side, you can see that you're getting a bird's eye view of what your website looks like as you're editing it. I'm going to drop it below the slideshow here, and I'm happy with how that looks.